Have you ever lost track of your mouse cursor while working and found yourself wasting time trying to find it? Stay with me, because today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to solve that problem using a simple Windows feature. First, you'll need to have Microsoft PowerToys installed on your computer. If you don't have it yet, you can easily download it either from the Microsoft Store or from the official website online. Once you have PowerToys installed and running, open the application. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of sections. Look for the Input section, and under that, select Mouse Utilities. Within Mouse Utilities, you'll find an option labeled Enable Find My Mouse. Make sure to toggle that feature on. Right below it, there's a drop-down menu where you can choose how you want to activate the Find My Mouse function. In my case, I'm going to select the Shake Mouse option, which means I can simply wiggle the mouse quickly to highlight its position on the screen. Once you have everything set up, give it a quick test. Shake your mouse, and you should immediately see a spotlight effect around the cursor, making it incredibly easy to locate no matter how cluttered your screen might be. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.